Hello friends, welcome to my channel English for You. In this video I am going to show you 3 activities which will improve spelling learning skill of your child. So our first activity is unscramble words. By using a great game like Unscramble, kids can learn to spell new words or can learn to remember all the words on their current spelling list. Unscramble words can increase vocabulary by helping children to expand their knowledge of what words mean. So friends, type of activity you have to give as shown in this image. This activity you have to give regularly. It means once in a day you have to give this activity to your child to improve spelling learning skills. This will really help you out. So please don't skip this activity. Give this activity regularly to your child. Now our second activity is picture identification activity. Picture identification can be appropriately used to determine the status of a young child's health, knowledge or skills and thus decide how the child might benefit from further learning experiences. This activity will give fun to your child, so don't skip this activity. By this activity your child will able to identify the pictures and will frame spelling by himself. So this will really help you out to improve spelling learning skill of your child. So don't skip this activity, give it regularly. Now our third activity is alphabet spelling writing. Children who can easily name the letters of the alphabet have an easier time learning to read. So friends, as shown in this image, you have to give this type of activity to your child. It means you have to ask your child to write the spelling of A to Z by their name. This activity you have to give daily. It means you have to give once in a day to your child because this will really help you out to improve spelling learning skill of your child. I hope you like this video. I request you all to don't skip any activity. Please give all 3 activity to your child. It will really help you out to improve spelling learning skill of your child. So see you soon with some more interesting topics. If you like my video, then please do like and comment and please subscribe my channel.